Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is stuck on recovery logo, Apple logo, boot loop or black screen and death issue. If your iPhone is not turning on, then I'm going to show you how to fix it without losing any of your data in your iPhone. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So this method works with the Windows PC. Make sure that you have a PC. Let's move to my desktop and let me show you how to do it. So first of all, click link in the description and you will be on the page Cocosenor iOS system recovery software. So this is the iOS repair tuner tool. You can download this tool on your Windows PC and also you can read the key features here. You can fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo, solve almost all common iTunes error with a simple click, repair most iOS problem with no data loss, factory set iPhone without iTunes, and this is super easy to use. Now you can download this tool on your window and you can install it. It's easy. So you can click on free download here. As you can see, there is the option. So once you have downloaded the tool in your Windows PC, then you have to install. It's super easy to install this tool. So I've already installed the tool here. As you can see, here is Cocosenor iOS repair tuner. Now just let me open the tool and let me show you everything step by step. So there are two mode, advanced mode and the standard mode. With the advanced mode, you will lose all of your data, or you can standard mode. With this you won't lose any of your data. So we are going to select the standard mode, then simply you can click on start button and make sure that your iPhone is connected with the USB cable with your PC, and then simply click on start and click on next and make sure that your iPhone is connected all the time. Now this tool will ask you to download the firmware. So as you can see, it's giving you the latest firmware. You can simply click on download, or you can select if you have already downloaded. Simply click on download and it will verify the firmware. So I have skipped the part where it downloaded because file was almost 6 GB. Once it's verified, you will get this verify success and repair. Simply click on repair the button and it will take about 8 to 10 minutes to repair your iDevice without losing any of your data. So I'm going to speed up the video. So now just wait for a few minutes and make sure that your iPhone is connected with your computer all the time and don't disconnect until the process is done. So here we go. As you can see, repair successfully. It took me about 10 minutes to do this. Now just let the iPhone restart, and you don't have to do the setup because we have selected the standard mode, and as you can see, the iPhone is fixed. So your iPhone will be on the latest firmware, and here we go. So make sure that you check this tool out. I personally recommend this tool if you have any issue in your iPhone to fix. So thanks for watching guys. Subscribe.